Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I have something special for you. As I have always put you into practice speaking in English with me, like practicing any conversation or practicing any question answers. But in today's video, I have something different. Now I will let you practice reading in English. So this is special. I want you to practice reading in English with me. I will read a story and I want you to read aloud that story side by side with me. So let's start practicing reading in English. And you know reading helps us in knowing new words, new phrases, and we can understand sentence structures. We can understand grammatical things. So reading is very important. That's why I have decided to make a video on reading practice. So let's practice reading in English. In this video, I am going to read a story and I want you to read the story. So let's start the video. Let's start reading in English. The summer vacation. The small coastal town of Seaview was buzzing with anticipation as the last school bell rang, signaling the beginning of the long-awaited summer vacation. Among the excited students were three inseparable friends, Alex, Lily, and Ryan. Their eyes sparkled with the promise of adventures as they embraced the freedom that summer brought. With the sun high in the sky and the sea breeze beckoning, the trio set out on their bicycles, weaving through narrow streets and laughing as they approached the sprawling beaches. The days unfolded like a tapestry of endless possibilities, marked by sandcastles, ice cream cones, and the rhythmic melody of waves crashing against the shore. One warm afternoon, the friends stumbled upon an old, abandoned lighthouse nestled on a rocky cliff. Intrigued by the mystery it held, they decided to make it their secret clubhouse. The creaky door opened to reveal a world frozen in time, with dusty books and forgotten trinkets. Undeterred, they transformed the lighthouse into their heaven, a place where their dreams were spun and secrets shared. Their summer unfolded in a series of escapades, from moonlight bonfires on the beach to midnight stargazing sessions. Each day was an opportunity for discovery, as they explored hidden caves, chased seagulls, and even tried their hand at fishing. The town became their playground, and every corner held a new adventure. In the heart of Seaview, an annual summer festival was a highlight that drew people from neighboring towns. The trio decided to contribute to the festivities, organizing a charity event to raise funds for a local animal shelter. Through bake sales, talent shows, and community support, they not only made a difference but also forged bonds that transcended the summer months. As the weeks passed, the friends found themselves woven into the fabric of Seaview's community. They became lifeguards for a day, volunteered at the local library, and even organized a beach cleanup. The warmth of the summer sun mirrored the warmth in their hearts, and as they made lasting connections and left an indelible mark on the town. However, with the approach of autumn, the reality of the impending school year loomed. As the friends gathered for a final sunset on their beloved beach, they reminisced about the unforgettable moments they shared. The lighthouse, once silent and forgotten, now echoed with laughter and echoed with the echoes of the friendship. The summer vacation had been a chapter of growth, camaraderie, and self-discovery. Seaview, once just a backdrop, had become a part of their story. As the friends parted ways with a promise to return, the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow on the memories they had created. A summer to remember, etched in the sands of time. I hope you have liked the story and you have also read the story aloud. If you haven't done that, then please do that. It's my request. As much as you read, you can enhance the knowledge of English grammar, English pronunciation, English vocabulary and everything. So reading is very important. If you want to grow your knowledge in English language, then never ever stop yourself from reading. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Take care. Bye.